In this video, we will show you how Pyixs logic module handles new documents with and without crop marks and bleed. First, we open a new document with both crop marks and bleed. The logic module first checks its database to see if this is a repeat job. If not, the words unknown type will be placed next to the document name in the title bar. If unnecessary white space or bleed is detected, suggested values are entered in the crop settings fields that will reduce this. And depending on the name and file size, the number imposed proof or booklet radio button will be checked. And depending on the file dimensions, either a standard output sheet or role options will be chosen automatically. For the majority of standard jobs, you will probably only need to tick the Impose Artwork button. The other options will have been chosen automatically. The Impose job will then open in your default PDF application. We will now open a job with no crop marks and no bleed. This is also treated as a new job with the words unknown type displayed next to the file name in the title bar. As there is no bleed on this document, the crop settings fields are left at 0. And based on the file dimensions, SRA3 has been chosen as the output sheet size. And again, the only thing we need to do is click Impose Artwork. Note that there are no crop marks or border marks on this job. It is easy to add either in Pyixs Imposed. To add crop marks, simply tick the Standard Marks checkbox. Standard bleed area is approximately 7.5 millimeters. We will reduce this to 3.5 millimeters to fit the maximum number up on our output sheet. We will now click the Impose Artwork button to see the results of these settings. Note that we can only fit 8 units up now as a result of the bleed area. Alternative option may be to use border marks instead. We will untick the standard mark checkbox and tick border marks. We'll reduce the bleed area to 0. We will leave the border marks length at the default 10 millimeters. And we will now click the Impose Artwork button. We are back to fitting 9 up and have border marks to facilitate trimming to size. It is sometimes useful to impose and print one sheet with border marks, reimpose again without border marks, and print those as the final job. The printed sheet with border marks can be placed on top of the others to facilitate finishing.